Welcome. If you're looking to remove your WhatsApp link from your Instagram bio, you're in the right place. Maybe you want a cleaner profile, or you just want to keep things a little more private. Whatever your reason, I'll walk you through the updated steps to remove your WhatsApp link from your Instagram bio using an Android device. Let's get started.
First, grab your phone and open the Instagram app. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to make this change. Once you're in, head straight to your profile by tapping your profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen.
Now that you're on your profile page, look for the Edit Profile button and tap on it. This is where you can update all your profile details, including your bio and any links you've added. Next, scroll down until you see the section labeled Links. Tap on it, and you'll see a list of all the links currently connected to your Instagram profile. Among these, you should spot the WhatsApp link you previously added.
Tap on the WhatsApp link. This will open up a new screen with more options related to that specific link. Here, you'll see the option to Remove Link. Go ahead and tap on Remove Link. Instagram will ask you to confirm that you really want to remove it. Confirm your choice, and just like that, the WhatsApp link will be deleted from your bio. And you're done. Your Instagram profile is now free of the WhatsApp link. This update is instant, so anyone who visits your profile will no longer see the WhatsApp contact in your bio. If you ever want to add it back, you can always follow similar steps to re-add your WhatsApp link. But for now, enjoy your updated, streamlined Instagram profile. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out more tips and tricks to get the most out of your social media experience.